Okay, so this is the application which I created, and this takes the input from the users, and you can give any input which you like, and this is having all the values, and then you can directly go to predict, and you can predict whether the credit risk is good or not. And then we have the visualizations tab here, which we can take any visualization from this, and this value which we have created in the Jupyter file, you can directly look it there in the GitHub. And these are the metrics which we got from the last model. We have used multiple models, but the one which gave us most results was the pipeline model, which we used using the light BGM and the XGBoost combined model. And the models which we were trying to think of were SVM and naive Bayes and random forest and XGBoost, which we got good results for in the testing. But when we implemented it for the whole dataset, then we got comparatively poor results, and the precision and recall values were very low than what we expected. So we shifted from that to this, and the model transformation and everything was done from 10 features which we are having. And there was an issue with the dataset which we are not having risk, so I think that was a test, and we got the column from the GitHub, and there was a website which hosted the link. So yeah, and then we from there we transformed the model, and we got 22 features. And then instead of directly removing the columns for the missing values, we tried to manipulate it and use the mean for the values. And for the categorical values, we were not having much issues. We directly converted them to monot encoding because label encoding was not as good as expected, because the values which we were looking for were quite different from what I expected initially. And yeah, so this is the confusion matrix and everything, and you can directly look at the where is that correlation heat map, so you can see which feature is good and which feature is bad, and you can see how they are correlated. And yeah, that's it.